If you are looking for a garage door repair service, then you must check us out. We are a locally owned and operated business that thrives on delivering an amazing experience to you, our customer. Our techs are well-trained, licensed, and experienced, and we provide same-day service calls. Irrespective of the brand and the problem, we can fix your garage door quickly. Be it broken springs, broken gears, stacked doors, or snapped cables, we've got your back. We carry parts, and our trucks come fully stocked to make sure the turnaround time to a functional garage door is minimal. We provide emergency services, so call us now to repair your garage door.